Hello everyone, myself Monisha Chare and I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today I'm here to talk to you about the topic House Arrest Judgment of Supreme Court, which was the recent judgment in this case. So, Gautam Navlakha versus National Investigation Agency. This judgment was given in regard to the house arrest under section 167 of CRPC. This section talks about the custody. So basically, there are two types of custody. First, police custody. Prisoner or offender is kept under remand of the police and they are kept in police custody. Second is judicial custody. Prisoner or offender are kept under magistrate and magistrate have the control. So, in this case, Supreme Court held the concept of house arrest as part of custody under section 167 of CRPC has not engaged the court, including this court. However, when the issue has come into focus and noticing the ingredient, we have formed the view that it involved custody, which falls under section 167 of CRPC. We observe that under section 167 is appropriate case, it will be open to court to order house arrest as to its employment without being exhaustive. We may indicate criteria like age, health condition, antecedents of accused, nature of crime, the need for other form of custody, and the ability to impose the terms of house arrest. We would also indicate section 309 that judicial custody being custody order subject to following criteria. The court will be free to employing it in deserving suitable cases. Issues observed by Supreme Court. There is overcrowding of prisons in India, that is, more prisons are kept in jails than the actual capacity. Prisons who are eligible for release should not be kept in prisons. Instead, they should be released so that they do not overcrowd the prisoners' cells. Maintenance cost of prisoners is very high. Estimated annual cost is of 68,1800 crores. So if we start giving house arrest to the prisoners, it will help in solving the problems of overcrowding and to overcome the cost of maintenance. But the problem of proper supervision can occur in house arrest. The advantage due to this feature is that earlier advocates only had two types of custodial rights for their clients and they prefer to take judicial custody from the court, but now they can demand house arrest too. The final decision resides on the hand of the court whether to give it or not. So section 167 of CRPC deal with the procedure when investigation can't be completed in 24 hours following the arrest of an individual under section 167 clause 2 of the CRPC. An accused is entitled to default bail if the investigation has not been completed within the specified time period depending on the nature of the offense. Supreme Court held in this case that the detention was illegal because the magistrate authorization had been found invalid. Under section 167(2) of the CRPC, home arrest cannot be considered permitted detention despite the fact that the accused may have brought into custody earlier. The bench determined that the 90 days period shall begin only from the day of remand and not from any earlier day. The court decided that the period from August 28, 2018 to October 1, 2018, while he was under house arrest, had to be removed. I hope you have understood this topic. For more such informations, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do like, share and comment.